flooding the earth and killing everyone on it except his favorite people. If I were to drown my children that I created just because I didn't like the way they were living their life, I'd be a monster.
Really? Well, I hate to tell you, it is not wrong always to kill.
He killed animals, he killed trees, he killed everybody but his little favorite is pretty much Noah. Yeah, because...
But I do know that those children are going to be in heaven. I do know that he has an ultimate solution for evil, suffering, and death. Forgiveness and eternal life in a heaven where there will be no more evil, suffering, and death. Read the Negro spirituals. Those folks had a profound, deep understanding of hope based on the goodness of God. Evil is going to be punished. And you're right, man. At the time of Noah, God punished evil. And innocent people were swept along in the judgment. Yes, ma'am. You're absolutely correct. Yes, sir. That's correct. Which points out the fact that at times when God judges, innocent people are swept along in that judgment, like those children. You're absolutely right.
It's okay.
No, it's not okay. Well, how can that God be a monster in light of the fact that when he became a human being, he allowed human beings to kick him around and nail him to a cross?